Welcome back to my channel, Saving with Christina, and happy Walmart Wednesday. Today I'm going to share with you the best deals I grabbed over at Walmart for the week. I was able to get all of these items not only for free, but I made over $6 buying it all. So of course I'm going to tell you exactly how I did that. So hopefully you can replicate that as well. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I do my very best to break down the deals as simple as possible. That way anyone can start going out and saving money for their family. At the end of the video, I always include clearance pictures of items that I found on clearance while I was at the store. So before I get into the details of these deals, let's talk just a minute about crazy gas prices and how you can save on your gas bill. So my husband went to fill up his truck last night, and we don't even live in an area that has super high gas prices, and it cost over $70 to fill up his truck. Insane. So one, how to save on gas, try to drive less. But if you're not already using the Get Upside app, you might want to try it out. I've been using it for a while, and it's allowed me to save money on something that I unfortunately have to buy quite frequently. If you grab it using my referral code, SWC20, you can earn up to 25 cents back per gallon when you fill up your car. I do have a complete tutorial on the Get Upside app that I can link down in the video description box below. One of the cool things about it though, not only are you saving on gas, but they also have restaurant deals and grocery deals. So I can't speak to the grocery deals because they're not in my area yet, but the restaurants that I've seen are some pretty good restaurants. At least in my area, it's not just fast food restaurants. It's actually more fine dining restaurants as well. So definitely an app you want to check out if you haven't already. I'm going to tell you deals using cashback apps like Ibotta, Fetch Rewards, Brand Club, as well as Shopkick. Okay, so first deal I want to tell you about is on these Always Discreet. These are the 20 count pads. These are priced at $5.27 at my store. You want to grab 2 of them. Use that $5 off 2 coupon from the March Procter & Gamble insert, and you will pay just $5.54. But then check your Ibotta app because I had an offer for $5 back when you buy 2 of these, making my final cost 54 cents or just 27 cents each. Now, my Ibotta bonus for this week was not very enticing. It was $1 for 8 offers, and of course I hit that doing this haul. When you are at Walmart, double check that clearance aisle. If you don't know where your clearance aisle is, ask someone and have them show you because there are some amazing clearance deals. I found this Almay concealer for $3. There is a $3 rebate on the coupons.com app, so I submitted my receipt there, making this item completely free. I also found this Polident ProGuard Retainer Paste Cleanser is the full name of the product. It was on clearance for just 99 cents, but there was a $2 rebate on the coupons.com app. So when I submitted my receipt there, I got $2 back, making this completely free and $1.01 moneymaker. Now, the last item that I grabbed using a physical coupon was on these Tenna pads. These are priced at $4.97. There was a $4 coupon in the February 27th Smart Source, making this product just 97 cents. And this is a great item to be able to donate if it's not a product that you use. So let's talk about a few more of the non-food deals first. So this Neutrogena Deep Cleanser is priced at $4.84. Now, I submitted my receipt to the coupons.com app and I got $2 back. I also submitted to Ibotta and got $2 back. So that makes my final cost 84 cents. But I had joined the Neutrogena Club on Brand Club, which gave me $1 in locked rewards. So when I purchased this product and synced to Brand Club, it unlocked that $1 welcome reward, making this item completely free and $1.16 moneymaker. So let me talk to you about Brand Club just very briefly, because I know it's a new app and I know there's some little bugs that are trying to be worked out in the app, but let me tell you what has been working for me. So when I do my shopping at Walmart, I shop, I check out, I pay however I want to pay, doesn't matter how you pay. Then I go into my Walmart app and I go into my account, I click on purchase history, and then I scan my receipt into my purchase history. Yes, it should pop up there automatically, but it hasn't been, so I'm scanning my receipt in. At that point, I open the Brand Club app, I sync to Walmart from Brand Club, and then it always says no rewards found. Don't know why, but when I go into my activity, I have actually been awarded the money. So I think I got like $16 back after doing this haul at Walmart yesterday. I'm loving Brand Club. Despite the little hiccups here and there, I am loving it because it saved me so much money on the items that we're buying anyway. Okay, so let's talk about a couple more deals. I'll tell you more about Brand Club as I talk about food. So the Skintimate razors, these are $5.97, and I lied to you because I used a coupon on this too. There was a $4 coupon, I believe it was a February 20th insert. I'll pop it up here on the screen, but that left me to pay just $1.97, and there was a $2 rebate on Ibotta, making this item completely free. This one, fantastic deal. When I was at Walmart yesterday, I was checking my apps as I was shopping and I saw this pop up, got super excited, and posted it over on Instagram because I wanted to be able to share it as quickly as possible. But this is the deal that I did. You want to grab one of the Max Degree Recovery body washes at $5.97 or $5.47. You then grab a pack of the soap at $4.97. There are $2 printables on the coupons.com app, so I will link those printables for you down below. So I had $4 off there, leaving me to pay $6.44. Now, I got $2 back on Ibotta for the body wash, $1.50 back on Ibotta for the soap. I then submitted this bundle deal to Shopkick, where I got an additional $3.80 back, making both items completely free and an 86-cent moneymaker on I Love. So I haven't actually tried this scent, I almost said flavor, but like the concept of the massage soap, I just love it. I think they're super great soaps, and I can't remember the one that I used months ago when we got it for free, but I'm excited to try this and hoping it smells good. Now, I did that for the men and the women's. I did it together because the limit was, I believe it was 3 on Ibotta. So I got the $2 back for both of these and $1.50 back for both of the soaps on Ibotta. The bundle deal, you can also submit a women's bundle and a men's bundle to Shopkick. Now, if you're not using Shopkick already, grab it using my referral code because you're going to get an additional $5 back when you scan your first receipt. I think that was it on non-food. So let's talk about food items. Since we're talking about Shopkick, let me go ahead and tell you about another Shopkick deal. It's on this Premier Protein. So one of my followers over on Instagram sent me a message and she's like, I don't know why, but this glitched for me and I ended up getting more money back than I was expecting. And it was on these Premier Protein cereals. Now there are 2 different cereals that you can grab. Each one of them is giving $4 back. But when she bought both of them, it somehow glitched and gave her even more than that $4 back, making it a complete moneymaker. My store only carried this one mixed berry almond, so I couldn't buy both of them. It's priced at $5.98. The Shopkick rebate is going to give you $4 for buying it, 6 cents for scanning it. So that makes your final cost $1.92. Mine did not glitch. It gave me the $4.06 back, and so I paid $1.92 for this cereal. Normally, would I pay $1.92 for cereal? No, but I don't know what you buy. I don't know what you like. This may be your favorite cereal, and $1.92 is an excellent price, so I wanted to go ahead and share that with you guys. Now, the Gatorade Protein Zero. First of all, these are not found with the other Gatorades. These were found with like the protein bars and shakes at my store. They are priced at $5.98. Now there's a rebate on Ibotta for $2.99 back, but check your Fetch Rewards app because I had 2 different offers on Fetch Rewards that attached, one for $1, one for 75 cents. So a great deal on the Gatorade. Now I had also done a survey on Brand Club, which gave me an additional $2 back. That made this 4-pack of Gatorade proteins completely free and a 76-cent moneymaker. So I was happy just with the Fetch and the Ibotta combined. When I add Brand Club in there, it's just fantastic. If you're thinking, why do you get all these surveys and I'm not getting any of these surveys? These surveys are coming to you based on your purchasing behavior. So as you're making purchases at Walmart, make sure you're scanning your receipt into your app and then syncing to Brand Club because it's automatically going to pull up offers from the products that you're currently buying. For example, I had one, like a survey pop up that was super weird. I'm like, I don't even know what that product is. It was based on something I had ordered on Amazon. And I ordered a swimsuit and it popped up as a survey for me on Brand Club. So if you're syncing your Brand Club, it's going to recognize your purchases and then allow you to take surveys on the brands you are already buying. Okay, so let's talk about a few more deals. This Gerber baby cereal is priced at $2.56. There is a $1 printable coupon you can use, making it $1.56. And then there's a $1 rebate on Ibotta, making it just 56 cents, which is a great price in and of itself. I also had a welcome offer for joining the Gerber Club on Brand Club, which gave me an additional 50 cents back, making this item just 6 cents. Now, I will post pictures of clearance at the end of the video, but there were a ton of baby food products on clearance at my store. So if you're looking for baby products, definitely check out the pictures at the end of the video. The Yoplait yogurt, I keep buying this each week because I keep doing the survey on Brand Club. These are 64 cents. I had done a survey on Brand Club that gave me $1.50. So when I purchased this product, it unlocked that money, making it completely free and an 86-cent moneymaker. Same thing with these ramen noodles. These are only 28 cents. Gotta love ramen. But I had done a survey on Brand Club for $1.75 back, making this completely free and $1.47 moneymaker. Now I purchased these Del Monte stewed tomatoes. They're 96 cents. I had done a Brand Club survey giving me $2.50 back, making this item free and $1.54 moneymaker. And I grabbed these Knorr pasta sides. These have gone up in price too. I mean, everything seems to be going up, but these are now $1.26, and I'm pretty sure they used to just be $1, maybe even a little bit less. But I had done a Brand Club survey for Knorr for $2.25 back, making it free and a 99-cent moneymaker. Now, like I said, I had that $1 Ibotta bonus when you do 8 offers. So when I add that dollar in, it made everything completely free and over a $6 moneymaker. And I did get a lot of items that I will be able to donate, which always makes me happy. If y'all have questions about any of this, don't hesitate to drop them down in the comments below. If you have found an amazing deal at Walmart, let us know down in the comments below. I would love to know what you were finding. Of course, y'all remember that Milton's free pizza that my store didn't have from Ibotta, and then I found a buy one get one free coupon on their website. So I could have scored 2 free pizzas, but my store didn't have it. Yeah, my store totally had it yesterday now that the offer is gone. So I know that frustrates y'all when that happens to you. I just want to let you know it happens to me too. But I didn't buy it, even though I was tempted to buy it, because there's still an offer, I think, for $3 back. So you could use that buy one, get one free coupon. You could get $6 back on Ibotta. Still a great price if it's a product that you love, but I don't know if it's a product that I love because I've never tried it. All right, y'all have an amazing week. Thanks.